Okay, so Daddy went shopping. So we got some gloves, some all the stuff that we need, some goggles. Already had some of those, but those ones are clean. Lots and lots and lots of stuff, and a needle scaler. And this thing, I've never owned one, and I've never tried it. Oh my gosh! Okay, but first, oh yeah, now we're talking. Oh yeah. Ho ho! Lube. Oh. Scratched! Okay. Why was I not introduced to these earlier? Frick yeah. Also, one good thing about COVID is there's always a mask around somewhere. Yep. So on this frame, I got pretty far on it. Well, not really. The battery died, and I had to, and I did some more nibbling and yada yada jazz. So what that looks like in there is what that looks like in there. As you can see, it's all chunked out on the bottom. I actually went in there with my nibbler, and it went and then punched out the hole on the bottom. Same on this side. Not as bad. It's weird because it's like the salt got into that side but not this side. It's bad. So I'm gonna have to cut this plate out too. We have to cut it out, and then I'm gonna have to cut this one out. I hate to say it, I wasted a lot of time. Well, not that much time. I probably 10 minutes on just nibbling this off. But you can see all of the pieces that are actually missing in here anyways. It's just, you can see daylight through it. So what I'm gonna do is probably just take the torch and just snap these off here, plate there, so you can still bolt this shit to it, and then come up, so then I can lower this sucker, and then I can figure something out up there to lower that down. I forgot to do these corner ones. But I think it's safe to say there's no freaking way I was gonna be able to get any of that rust out of there. There's no way I was gonna leave that in there. It's just freaking ridiculous. Like, on the outside, yeah, it is decent. Like, this is pretty good. But everything where this hole is, and on the bottom here, it's almost completely gone. So I'm gonna knock this side down, and I'm gonna have to probably brace it up before I go bare. Oh my gosh, look at all that work. And there's only more to be had. So I'm gonna probably hit this with the scaler on both sides. And I've had this sucker for a few years, probably like, oh, seven years, and it just freaking chipped paint. I'm so disappointed. I haven't dropped it or nothing. It literally just freaking cracked. I know it's just a helmet, but it's 350 bucks new, so that sucks. Alright, so here's my dilemma. I want to use the tubing that I have and make this truck super duper rigid and super duper tough. I want to put a fifth wheel in it to make it haul easier. I don't know if it's going to be any better than what my plan is for, you know, this hitch. I can basically bolt everything onto the roll cage part, which I want to put boxes on here, and it's not technically going to have fenders. I'm not going to put a freaking regular bed on this for nothing. And this area in here is super open as well. I thought about putting a box in here, like one of those roll-up ones, which would be super cool, but I don't know if there's going to be enough room. I want to lower this thing, but I don't know if that's going to happen this year. I might just get this thing going to where I can actually drive the stupid thing before I get ahead of myself. I know it's been real. It's been fun, but it ain't been real fun.